In English, there are three main ways to talk about where you are from. The first is I am from followed by your country. The second is I come from also followed by your country. The third is I was born in followed by your birthplace. These phrases help you introduce yourself and share your background clearly. I am from is the most common way to say your nationality or where you live now. I come from means the same thing but sounds a little more formal. Both phrases are followed by a country name. They are polite and natural for everyday conversations. I was born in talks about your actual birthplace, not your current nationality. This phrase uses the past tense, was born, because birth happened in the past. Use this when someone asks about where you first came into the world, which might be different from where you live now. I am from Japan means the speaker is Japanese or lives in Japan now. I am from Brazil means the speaker is Brazilian or lives in Brazil currently. These sentences answer the question, where are you from directly and simply. I come from Canada shows current nationality or residence, just like I am from Canada. I come from Italy means the same as I am from Italy. This phrase feels a bit more formal but has exactly the same meaning. I was born in Mexico tells us the speaker's birthplace, even if they don't live there now. I was born in France means France is where the speaker came into the world. This can be different from current nationality. I am from tells your current nationality or where you live now. I was born in tells your actual birthplace from the past. Someone can say, I am from America, but I was born in Korea to show both pieces of information clearly. Where are you from asks about current nationality or residence. Where were you born asks specifically about birthplace. Both questions help start conversations about personal background and are very common in English-speaking situations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.